What? Zoe. Zoe Joey. You're such a cutie. You're such a cutie. What's the matter, buddy? What's the matter, buddy, huh? You about to throw up? Come here. Why don't you throw up down here if you are? You're the second animal in the house to make the yuck yuck. Oh, baby. Poor baby. Yes. You don't want to throw up in your bed, do ya? No. Say no, I don't. What? What? Poor guy. You want to go potty? Yeah. Oh. Poor little fella.